in the same environment, we have the same background radiation here, the counts per minute are different by almost a factor of 10. So why is that? Why is the count rate discrepancy there? So I want to pull back, come away from the scintillators and the GM tubes, and just look at fishermen fishing. So in this demonstration, we're going to use fish to resemble our radiation, and we're going to use our fishermen and their nets to represent sensors or detectors. So you can see here we have 3 different size nets. So we have a small, medium, and a large net. And these guys go fishing. So let's say this guy catches 1 fish, and the guy with the medium-sized net catches 2. And the guy with the largest net, he can scoop up more fish, so he catches 3 fish. So now you can see there's a bit of a problem, because if I ask these fishermen, how many fish did you catch? This guy is going to say, I caught 1 fish. This fisherman will say, you got 2. And this one will say, I caught 3 fish. There's 3 fish in this lake. There's 2 fish in this lake. There's 1 fish in the lake. These are all different numbers. Even though they're in the same lake, they're fishing for the same fish, they're different numbers. Well, that's because they have different size nets. This guy has a bigger net, so he's catching more fish. He's detecting more interactions, more counts per minute. So this is why counts per minute can be a little confusing. If you're using different size detectors, different size nets, you'll get different results from the exact same source of, radiation or fish in this example. So we use it because it's a relative term. It's not relative to other devices, but it is relative to itself. So if you can say on Saturday, let's say this guy caught 3 fish, and then on Sunday, he caught 6 fish. He would say, Sunday, I caught 2 times the amount of fish. So he'd say, Sunday has twice as many fish as Saturday does. And so it's relative to this guy. And likewise, again, fish still in the water here. If this guy caught 1 fish on Saturday, on Sunday, he might catch 2 fish. And so he caught 2 fish on Sunday, and he says there's twice as many fish on Sunday. So these guys both agree, even though they had a different amount of fish, they would both say it's twice as many fish on Sunday. So next, what I want to do is bring these instruments back in. So you can see the background count rates here. We have around 200 counts per minute on AlphaHound right now, and around 43 counts per minute on the GMC 600.